Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pay bills with Chime. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to set up bill pay. So all you got to do is just open the Chime mobile app on your mobile device, or you can go to the website and log into your account, and then once you're in, tap or click on bill pay or pay bills to access the bill pay feature. And next you want to add a biller, so just enter the name of the biller. It could be a utility company, credit card issuer, whatever it is. Just enter that in the search bar and then choose the biller from the search results. And next you want to enter your account number and other required information for the biller. Next you're going to schedule a payment. So all you gotta do is enter the amount that you want to pay, and then choose the date that you want the payment to be made. And once you're done, just review and confirm the payment details. Now next is to manage your payment, so you can check your payment history to ensure that the payment has been made. You can also make changes to, or you can cancel upcoming payments as needed. You could also set up automatic payments, so you could schedule recurring payments for regular bills. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to pay bills with Chime. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.